Hi.
What up?
What are you doing?
So, you see another video how we already took the other side off. Nobody's been in here in a while to grease this for a long while. I mean, shouldn't be looking like that. All crusty.
Smells horrible too.
Yeah. Yeah, go look at that bearing. We didn't get the video of the bearing.
Oh, I don't really want to touch it, but
I wouldn't want to touch it either. That's what I have gloves on. But yeah, we're getting this side done, and then we're waiting until we got approval.
Correct.
Okay, before we put new rotors pads.
Fairly deep list. You guys want to take a little fluid of that suspension? Just show.
Yeah, I mean it's the same.
You got crusty everywhere.
Crusty everywhere. Those are cracked underneath, but then yeah, ball joints shot. Upper and lower, which more rubber pieces for the sway bar link. But you know what? Once this is all done, at least we'll get another 5-10 years.
Easily.
Yeah. So, all right, guys.